How to prevent YouTube from demonetizing your channel. That is what I'll be telling you here. The things you can do. Maybe you are very busy, you don't have time to make video. I will tell you some things to do. This is what I'll be doing. I have 3 monetized channel. This video is all about YouTube will demonetize your channel if after 6 months you did not post. If you don't post video in a whole 6 months, YouTube will demonetize your channel. So how to prevent YouTube from demonetizing your channel? That is what I'll be telling you here. The things you can do. Maybe you are very busy, you don't have time to make video. I will tell you some things to do. This is what I'll be doing. I have 3 monetized channel. So if I see that it's almost 6 months, what I used to do that is still keeping my channel, that is what I want to tell you now. Please, after watching this video, share this video so that other people will also know. I know some people that YouTube demonetized their channel because they did not post video for 6 months, a whole 6 months. They did not post anything and their channel got demonetized. So please help me share so that people will be aware. Number 1 thing you should do, maybe you are too busy, you didn't have time to to create video. Do you know how to go live on YouTube? If you don't have time to make video, you may say, you don't have time to make video. How will you have the time to go live? My dear, if you have internet in your phone or data you have in your phone, you can be in the car, in the bus, on the streets. Just go live and greet your subscribers. Greet them and just say something. My dear, your page or your channel is active like that. Even if you're in the kitchen or maybe you are just in the living room, you can just hold your phone like this. Maybe you are eating. It doesn't mean you must show your food. Just show your face. It can just be for 3 minutes. You are active like that. You are active. But for you to say you don't have time, you don't have time, you don't have time, and 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, do you know YouTube monetize your channel for you so that they can put ad? The ad advertisers will put in your video, they will pay YouTube. From there, YouTube will not pay you. So you are not doing anything on your channel and you don't want to go live. You have to do this thing. This is number 1 thing. This one is very easy. You can be going on the streets, you just go live. Hello my subscribers, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. I just want to say hi. I don't know, you want to put your own. You're already active on your channel. If it's only that one you do for 3 months, maybe you don't have time, you are active, YouTube will not demonetize. Okay, but I advise you, if your channel is monetized, try to make videos so that you can earn from it. Okay, that's number 1 thing. Number 2 thing that you can do, maybe you don't have time, maybe if you don't want to apply this number 1, which is the easiest one, number 2 you can do, you can be in the bus, you have your channel in your phone, right? You can just type greeting, just type, send it to your community. Okay, send it to your community. You have posted something. It is when you didn't post for 6 months, YouTube will demonetize your channel. Go and ask. So you send that post. Is it your picture? Is it anything, beautiful flower or Bible, anything? Just write something and post it. You are in your bus or you are in the car or you are in your place of work during break time. You just write and post. Okay, that is number 2. Then number 3, I will show you number 3 what you can do. I will show you now. Stay tuned. Please help me share this video. You pick any video of your choice, any video at all. Click on this dot here, these 3 dots. Then you will see where they wrote share. Look at it here, share. Create posts. You are creating a post now. As you are creating it now, it means you are active on your channel. Create post. You click on create posts. Then you title it the way you want to title it. Let me title my own. Then you post the video. View. Look at the video here. 4 seconds. So to start counting immediately you post it, it means you are active. You just posted this thing now. Look at it. YouTube will notify your subscriber that you just posted this thing on your community. Let's say these are your videos. You pick one video. I'll be using this very one now. Click on the video. Then you see this place is written remix. Click on remix. Edit into a short. You see that? The first one, edit into a short. You click on it. Let's say this is your video. If you want 50 seconds, just go ahead and upload it. But if you want it to be 1 minute, you click on this 50 seconds on top of your video here. Then you adjust this place now. As you adjust it, you can see that it's already in 60 seconds. That's 1 minute. Then if you like this very shape, the way your video look, you click on done. But if you don't like it, you click on this very place they wrote layouts. Click on it. You choose any one you want here. So I prefer this very one. I just prefer this auto. Then you click on continue. Wait for it to process. Please like this video and share. Thank you. Here is the video. So if you want to title it, maybe you want to write anything on top of the video, you click on this place on top of here where you can see big letter A and small letter A. You click on it and type whatever you want, but I will not be typing. I will not be doing that now. The next is to click on next. You title your video the way you want to title it and post it. Immediately you post your video, it means you are active, and it will show that you just post this video today. Yeah, it will show that you posted it today. Maybe you are busy, you have not posted a video for a long time, maybe 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. You have not the chance to make a video. You know, do it like this, because after 6 months YouTube will remove the monetization. But like this, you can keep your channel. But I advise you to be uploading video every time. That is when your revenue will increase. Like this video and share. Subscribe to my channel. You are welcome. If you have any short video at all, any video you made before, you have it in your phone, send it to shorts. You know how to upload video to shorts? Send it there. Post it to shorts. Okay? Please, after watching this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share this video, please. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload videos, you'll be notified. This my channel was demonetized for 6 months. I will tell you the reason why it was demonetized and how YouTube monetized it for me again. So subscribe to this channel so that what made YouTube to demonetize this my very channel for 6 months, so that you will not experience it. It's a very bad experience. Subscribe to this channel. Please help me share this video. Thanks for watching this video. This is how to prevent your channel from being demonetized. Yes, somebody may say, how can you have a channel and you are not uploading for a whole 6 months? It happens, and it can happen, and it has been happening and used to happen to me. But when I see that it's 5 months and some weeks, I'll quickly go and apply what I taught you in this video now, and my channel will still be there without YouTube demonetizing it. So I hope you learned something from this video. Have you shared this video? Have you liked it? I would like to see you on my next video. It's me, Tonia. Bye bye.